Imagine a time before the pyramids, before written language, a time when humans lived alongside creatures both familiar and fearsome. Among these creatures roamed the wolf, a skilled hunter with piercing eyes and a chilling howl. It's hard to believe, but this wild ancestor is where the story of our beloved canine companions begins. The path from wolf to dog is a fascinating tale of evolution and mutual benefit. Over countless generations, a unique bond began to form between humans and these intelligent canids. Perhaps it started with wolves scavenging scraps around human settlements, gradually becoming accustomed to our presence. As trust grew, so too did a partnership. This wasn't a sudden shift, but a gradual process of domestication spanning millennia. Early humans likely saw the wolf's inherent skills as an asset. Their keen senses, strength and pack mentality made them ideal hunting partners. In return, dogs received food, shelter and a level of safety within the human circle. Thus began a remarkable journey, one that would forever intertwine the fate of humans and dogs. Unraveling the exact timeline of dog domestication is a puzzle that continues to intrigue scientists today. Archaeological evidence provides tantalizing clues, pointing to a deep history stretching back thousands of years. Fragments of bone and ancient DNA tell a story of early companionship. One of the earliest pieces of evidence comes from a burial site in Bonn-Oberkassel, Germany. Here, the remains of a dog were found buried alongside a man and a woman dating back approximately 14,000 years. This poignant discovery hints at a strong emotional bond between humans and dogs even in these early times. Further east, in the Middle East's cradle of civilization, archaeologists have unearthed evidence of dog domestication dating back at least 12,000 years. These early canines likely played a vital role in the lives of these developing societies, assisting with hunting and guarding settlements. These ancient paw prints, etched in time, offer a glimpse into the earliest chapters of the human-dog partnership. Each discovery adds another piece to the puzzle, helping us understand the deep roots of this enduring bond.